Well, hello, my friends, and welcome back to More with Marquita. Today, I'm going to be test swatching this lip gloss called Smoke and Mirrors that I found at Five Below. Y'all, I will say I would not purchase this. This is the most disgusting lip gloss I ever put on my lip. It tastes like a really poisonous licorice. I'm on a journey to look more elegant and put together. So, with that being said, I'm looking for new lip colors in my makeup regimen. So, that saying you get what you pay for is very true here. So, the first color I'm going to be test swatching is a bright pink. It's fun and it can go well with brown eyeshadow. Next is Walnut Brown. I love the natural look, so I would just pair this with natural flesh tones. I think they go the best for this natural color.
That's my favorite.
This color is Flamingo Pink, and it's giving me thank you next vibes. This color is Summer Squash. It's in the orange family.
They smell awful.
It pairs well with light and dark colors, mainly natural or bronze or light bronze. This color is Cantaloupe, and I kind of love it. This color is called China Rose. It's the closest to my everyday lip color. I love pink shades and natural shades.
Ugh. Tastes like licorice. Another one of my favorites.
This is another one of my favorite colors here. It is Twilight Lavender. These are all matte, so you can see the matte in this one more than any of the others. Melon is the name for our next one. It looks very similar to the others in my opinion. And then we have Persian Red. I think for my skin tone reds, you should be on the purplish color, but I kind of like this one. This color is called Bold. To me, it's a mixture of a red and maybe a squash. And this is Smokey Topaz. It is close to the Persian Red in my opinion. I mixed it with the lip plumper that came in the package, and this is how it came out. Lastly, we have Marvelous. It's just marvelous, darling. You know that saying you get what you pay for, in this case is very true. So I'm actually going to take these colors to Ulta and get some quality ones. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much. Comment down below if you see a color that you like. And I will see you in the next one. Love you.